In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to organize your Confluence workspace with spaces, pages, and permissions. If you're new to Confluence or ready to tidy up a growing set of documents, this walkthrough will show you how to set up a clear structure that your whole team can navigate. We'll open Confluence, head to the Spaces area, decide whether to use an existing space or create a new one, build parent and child pages for your main topics, set the right permissions, and keep everything organized over time. Start by opening Confluence and going to Spaces. This is the hub where all your areas of work live. Think of a space as a container for a project, department, or knowledge base. From here, you can browse what already exists so you don't accidentally duplicate efforts. Next, choose an existing space if it already matches your purpose, or create a new one if you need a fresh container. When creating a new space, give it a concise, recognizable name and a short description so people instantly know what belongs inside. A clear space homepage can act as a table of contents for everything that follows. Use the space to group related pages and documents so that information is easy to find. Before you start writing, jot down the core categories you expect to maintain. This quick planning step will make your structure intuitive and save time later. Now add parent pages for your main topics. These serve as the top level sections. Keep titles simple and consistent, like overview, processes, guidelines, or reports, depending on your use case. On each parent page, add a brief summary that explains what readers will find inside. Under each parent page, add child pages to capture the detailed content. Child pages inherit context from the parent and create a logical path through your information. Use descriptive titles, add links back to the parent where helpful, and include a short intro on each page so readers know they're in the right place. Manage permissions so the right people can access the space. At the space level, grant view and edit rights to the appropriate groups, and use page restrictions sparingly for sensitive content. Follow the principle of least privilege so content is easy to share without exposing what shouldn't be seen. Finally, keep the space organized by updating and archiving old pages. Set a simple review rhythm, retire outdated material using the archive feature, and refresh summaries on your parent pages as things change. With this structure in place, your Confluence space will stay clear, searchable, and trustworthy.